Hi guys, here's Gianmarco from SENZI Education here, and today I am going to talk to you about our SENZI S-2 scissors. I am going to use our limited edition metallic black blade, which is brand new. It just arrived from Japan, and I am going to take you through the features and the reason why I absolutely love this blade. We have designed these scissors to optimize your cutting action. There is a slight dip on the ring. This will help you to rest your thumb very comfortably while you're cutting hair. Now, if you notice, the scissor is slightly offset. This will give you ease while holding your scissors. Now, this little curve here is designed to get your index finger to rest anytime that you work with outline, perimeters, or lines. Now, in both the silver and the black one, we really love how the craftsmen have engraved our SENZI logo on the blade without using any machine, just by hand. And this is my personal scissor. I use this every time that I do hair. This is the S2 silver one. I have been using this since the time we made it in Japan, and the performance is just simply phenomenal. It never let me down, and I think I've sharpened it once in the past 4 years. So if you are interested in the scissors and you want to know more about it, you can go on senzieducation.com/shop, or you can just get in touch with us and just send us a DM on Instagram. We'll get back to you. And yeah, they don't usually stay long on the shop because, as I said, we don't really make many every year because they are fully handcrafted. And when I say handcrafted, I mean it. Now, all these SENZI scissors comes with this handmade leather roll, which is pretty cool. So you just open it, and here it is. So you have a microfiber cloth to clean your scissors every single day, and please do that. Then you have a little screw to adjust the blade as you please from here. This is, yeah, again from SENZI. And then you've got the option to have more scissors, so maybe like putting a comb here. Here we have the S2 classic silver, and here is the metallic black and limited edition. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'm sending you lots of love from London, and I hope I can see you soon in one of our workshops around the world with SENZI Education. Ciao belli, see ya.